In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Delaware State. We'll walk through the official process so you can handle your citation quickly and securely from home. Delaware traffic tickets are generally handled by the Justice of the Peace Court system, and the safest place to start is the Delaware Court's website. Open your browser and go to the traffic section at courts.delaware.gov. From there, you'll see information about tickets and a link to the Delaware e-payment system at courtpay.delaware.gov. Before you jump in, have your ticket next to you and make sure you're on an official .delaware.gov website. If your ticket was issued very recently, be aware that it might not show up right away. In Delaware, citations can take several business days and sometimes up to 1 to 2 weeks to appear in the online payment system. If you don't see yours yet, check back periodically rather than creating a duplicate record. When your ticket is available, the e-payment site will prompt you to enter identifying details. You'll typically need your citation number, your date of birth, your last name, and sometimes your driver's license information. Type everything exactly as it appears on your ticket. Small differences like a missing middle initial or a misplaced hyphen can prevent the system from finding your case. Next, review the citation the system pulls up. Confirm the violation details, the fine amount, any court costs, the payment deadline, and whether the ticket is eligible for online payment. Some violations cannot be paid online and require a court appearance. If the site indicates that, follow the instructions provided and do not attempt to pay through another channel. Also, double check that the name on the citation is yours before proceeding. If online payment is allowed, choose your payment method. Delaware's system commonly accepts major credit cards such as Visa, MasterCard, and Discover, as well as debit cards. A convenience fee may apply depending on the processor, so look for that amount before you submit. Use a secure internet connection, enter your card details carefully, and wait for the confirmation screen to load fully. Finally, save proof of payment. Take a screenshot or print the confirmation page, and if an email receipt is offered, save that message in a safe place. Keep your confirmation until the case status updates and the charge clears on your bank statement, which can take a short time to process. That's the entire process for paying a Delaware traffic ticket online.